Prime Minister Narendra Modi today dedicated and laid the foundation stone of several developmental projects worth over 8,000 crore rupees in Bharuch district of Gujarat. Women and Child Development Ministry to organize National Conference on Skilling in Non-Traditional Livelihood for Girls, Betiya Bane Kushal tomorrow. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal today said that India offers a huge domestic market opportunities and an enabling environment through ease of doing business. More than 218 crore 99 lakh vaccine doses have been administered so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. Union Sports Minister Anurag Singh Thakur has nominated Law Minister Kiran Rijiju, athlete Neeraj Chopra and actor Ajay Devgan to join the Kick Off the Dream campaign and show support for India female footballers participating in FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup for the first time.